Good boy. You stay. You guard. Good boy. How you going? That's what we're doing. There's a clue. Harvesting some food. Fish. So, welcome to the old farmhouse. Where is the old farmhouse? If you're somewhere in another part of the world that doesn't know exactly where Clay is, we're between Motueka and Richmond, the South Island of New Zealand. I rent an old farmhouse, that one there. The farmer was going to sell it, well, is going to sell it, but so far I'm still here, so happy days, because it's been my home now for 12 years, I suppose. Anyway, today we're going out chasing these trees, snapper, hopefully some small kahawai, maybe some yellow-eyed mullet, and also may look after some garfish, because there's garfish out there, also known as piper. There's a few other species of fish I might be chasing as well, but they're the main ones. Snapper's what I like to catch. So I'll be using a burley, and the burley will be bonito mixed with pilchards. It's a bought one that I bought. Generally I prefer to use salmon. Salmon's my favourite. That's out of all of them. Salmon works good. If I can get kinner, that's really good too. But I like the salmon. It seems to bring all the small fish. So we'll be using squid for bait, and I'll be using just one rod with 2 hooks. In the past I've been greedy and put 2 out, but I've found that I've got into trouble with that. It's got all tangled up. You get one fish and then you've got another one there. So it's better just to concentrate on the one rod when you're by yourself and you haven't got someone else helping you. I'll be launching at about 7:45. The time is now 7:30. As you can see, there's the sun up there. It's probably an hour and a half sunlight left. The wind is blowing about 16 knots, and there's a bit of a swell. Well, there was when I looked this morning. It might have gone now, it might have blown out. Last night there was a huge swell, so hopefully the conditions are good. If they're too windy and too shitty, then I'll turn around and go home. The faster you can go out, the better when you're going through a surf. You clear the waves better. There's no chance of being knocked back if you hit a big one, or less chance at least. You want to powerhouse out that first bit, get past the swell. The steering's not working right, the angle's getting jammed in the ropes. Just lost the steering from it there. Want to power out past. This isn't a big swell. I've gone out much bigger ones than this. Ideally you don't want to get too wet before you start fishing. Wind is actually going to come up tonight, which is not ideal. But I had a gut feeling it was going to be good out here tonight. And I always, oh, there's wet balls, wet ass. Always like to go on my gut feeling. I was hoping to sit with a dry ass, the duration of fishing, but that's just gone out the window. But generally waves come in sets of 7. So you want to pick your set and try and get out through the lull. You surfers will know what I'm talking about. See how that goes. Gotta keep myself facing the right way. Otherwise we're gonna end up in the shit. Feel like I'm dragging it still. I know that's now. There we go. Beauty. Just get fishing. Burley cradle in first. It's my bonito and pilchard. So we're going to use a squid bait. That's better. Why don't I try not to fall out of the fucking boat? Jeez! Starting to get quite cold too, that wind. Oh, there's a few fish around here now. It's like herrings. That's a good sign. Fish on. That's what I'm talking about. Is he still on? Oh, I lost him. Bugger. No, he's on still. Oh yeah, he's on. He's on. That's a goodie. He's gone under the boat. That's a good snapper, I reckon. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Woo! He's putting up a good fight. It's a good snapper. Yeah! Stay on, you bastard. Look at that. That's a good snapper. Woohoo! That's what I'm talking about. Yes! Stay on, you beauty. All that time out here in the storm, but I got him. Oh man, that's a good fish. Ah! He's a beauty. He's a bloody beauty. He's a good fish. I got a cramp. Oh, that's awesome. All that time in this bloody big sea, finally got a fish. It's enough to feed me. It's a good fish. She's rough as guts out here too. It's gonna icky him. It's a big fat snapper. Oh, nearly lost him, jeez. Well, we're going to put this guy on ice and get the fuck out of here. Some big waves. Jeez. Fuck me dead. I'll be in pretty quick because the wind is fair howling in. Trouble is I'm going to end up surfing some of these waves. So long as I don't broach, go sideways. I got my fish, I'm a heavy boy. Shit. 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 Soaked. Right, the beach isn't too far away. It's a question if we can get in without bloody arsing over. It's a bit dodgy. Whoa, there we go, you're surfing now. The truck is right in front of me. Wet ass, that's okay. Oh, cramp. Got it. That was a real challenging bloody fish, that one. Hard yakka, man. It's a nice big snapper. That'll feed a lot of people. It's a beauty. Fish. Look who shows up to my house when she knows I got snapper! Hey, come and have a look at this. This is the fish I got yesterday. It's a beautiful day here in Tasman. And I always come just at the right time. And the cool thing about keeping your fish in a box of ice is you can shoot out next to, oh, it's actually almost melted. Oh no, still a bit on top there. Isn't that a nice snapper? Oh, they're leaving it with the squid bait's a good idea. That should be right. So we'll get you to sashimi that up. It's actually almost semi-frozen, eh?
Yeah.
It's a bit stiff.
Yeah.
Should be right though, eh?
Yeah. Who's the green thing? What is the green thing?
Oh. Oh. I don't know. Oh, that's a Japanese delicacy. You have to eat that. Open your mouth up. Come on, open up.
Never heard.
I think it's a bit of bile.
You broken it?
Yeah, it broke last night in the storm. Going out. So to take your fillets off without the bone, I go down this line here like that. Just feeling right down to the outside where the bones are. And I'm not going past the skin. You can see the skin down there. I'm just going to where I can feel it. And then come around here, other side, down there. It stops about there. Up to here, you can then feel the rib cage and go under like this on an angle. We're going to lose a little bit of the rib cage. And then hold your tail in and start working the knife. Now I learnt this method, actually a fisherman called Chris in the Chatham Islands taught me this, and he does it on his blue cod, and I found it works equally as good on snapper, particularly if you're doing something like for sashimi. I'm using a high carbon steel filleting knife, nice and sharp. We're through there now. Now that'll need a bit of a tidy up, but basically this will be a boneless fillet coming out of here. Like I said, it'll need a bit of a tidy up. And there's a wee bone in there I've left behind, just whack that out. And the reason you need to tidy it up is because you don't want to go too deep down, otherwise you cut through your skin. That is a perfect boneless fillet off the snapper. So we've got this little piece here that's going to be a chicken tucker. And our rib cage we've gone underneath. And there's our other fillet there, which is also a boneless fillet. Nice. Right, let's get Awi to do some sashimi cutting. Have you eaten today? You have eaten?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I'm hungry. It's nearly 3 o'clock. So.
Okay. First bite for you, girl.
Good.
I'm dribbling watching you. I haven't eaten since yesterday. That is taken off the top part of the fish, not the belly part. Bit of wasabi, bit of soy sauce. Too much wasabi. Oh, but it's good. I need a bit of avocado too. Avocado goes really well. Oh, I think I enjoy this more than you do, eh? I reckon.
Sorry, I did enjoy them last night already.
Yeah, I ate it last night from the fish I caught the day before.
Yeah.
Right now there's snapper in the bay in Tasman, so I'm making the most of it, getting as much as I can while we can, because it won't last forever. But on that note, I'm only taking the fish I need. Like I released, last time I caught 9 snapper and I kept 5. Just 1 for everybody and put 4 back. Oh, mate. That is just the food of gods. I could live off sashimi, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Really, really good. Snapper's not a bad sashimi fish, eh? It's got enough oil in it. I know you prefer kingfish or tuna or kahawai, but I quite like snapper, particularly the slightly bigger fish.
Mm-hmm.
That's quite an oily fish. And every fish is different. Some are fatter, some aren't. This has got a lot of fat in it. This fish is in good condition. So good luck with your own fishing. I hope you enjoyed the clip. Smash the like button if you did, so we know we're getting it right for you still. And subscribe to my channel if you like this sort of thing. Keep eating, sweetheart. It's okay. It's alright. I'm talking, you're not talking. She's going to eat it all before I finish. She's like, I'll get some more while he's talking. I'm into it. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Be good. If you can't be good, then what, sweetheart?
Be careful.
Be careful. See you later. This is so good. I'm happy. Really is delicious. You did a good job on cutting it up too.
It's with a good knife.
Good knife, nice sharp knife. I love a sharp knife, eh? Living off the sea and land, I am a simple man. Living here, I do not care for the city life. It's easy here, way down under New Zealand. That's my home. Living off the sea, sea and land. Ooh, simple life for a simple man. Getting out on the hills at night with my dog and knife. Rise early in the morning too. Put some meat on the table for you. I'm living off the sea and the land. Yeah, simple life for a simple man. Ooh, come join me now if you can. Hey, come join me, people, if you can. Simple life for a simple man.